Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from HUAWEI Nova 9 SE to an Android device. First of all, go into App Gallery on Huawei and Play Store on an Android. Then click on the search bar, type in Send Anywhere and download this free app, this one, from this developer. Following that, just open it. From this screen here, you need to tap on I accept, then select Confirm, Continue and Allow. Now we need to do exactly the same on Huawei, so open, I accept, confirm, continue, allow. Now select Receive on an Android and Send on Huawei. Following that, you need to tap on all of those dots and select Send. This way you will select all of those and transfer them later on. It will take some time, so I will go with only one photo, for example that one. Just send and tap on Got It. Over here you need to click on No Thanks and tap on Close this window, and then as you can see, we have two ways to connect. We can scan this QR code by tapping on the scanning icon on an Android, selecting while using the app for only this time and pointing our camera at the QR code, but we can also input this key over here and connect our devices by choosing Receive. And now as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!